Welcome students in my mathematics classes, class 9. That is, today we solve theorems या proof of the theorems from NCERT. That is, the topic is angles, some properties of triangle. Now the theorem is the sum of an angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So first of all, write their solution. That is, in solution, draw a triangle, this one, that is A, B, C. This is the vertex of the triangle. That is, in triangle, what is the property of triangle? A closed figure bounded by 3 line segments. It has 3 vertex, 3 angles whose sum is 90 degree, 180 degree, sorry, and 3 line segment, that is AB, BC and AC. So we look here, the sum of an angle of a triangle is 180 degree. What is given? Given, that is ABC, BA triangle. And what is our proof? That is to prove angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Yeah. Now let this is angle 1, angle 2, and here this is angle 3. Now let it can be also written as, that is, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Now first of all, we write the construction, that is, construct through A, draw a line, this one, that is L या MN कर लिया जाए, that is, through A, draw a line MN also parallel to BC. Now our construction is through A, draw MN which is parallel to BC. Now in solution, here that is angle 1, 2, 3. Now we can take angle 4 and here this is angle 5. Now we know that a straight line can be made, the sum of these angles is 180 degree. Now since here angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree, because a straight angle is 180 degree. So since MN are, that is, MN are MA parallel to BC, therefore AB is transversal, so angle 4 is also angle 2 is also equal to angle 2, because these are alternate interior angle. So we can write this here, that is, since MN parallel to BC are, that is, MA is also parallel to BC, and that is AM are MN parallel to BC, and this AB be transversal and AB be a transversal line. Similarly, therefore angle 4 is also equal to angle 2. Angle 4 is also angle 2. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2 by how much? By alternate interior angle. Again similarly ACB transversal, again similarly MN parallel to BC and ACB transversal line. So angle 5 is equal to angle 3, angle 5 is equal to angle 3 by alternate interior angle. This is equation 3. Now we use इक्वेशन 2 एंड इक्वेशन 3 इन इक्वेशन 1. तो क्या लिखेंगे? नाउ यूजिंग इक्वेशन 2 एंड इक्वेशन 3 इन इक्वेशन 1 we get, that is, look, this one, angle 4 is equal to angle 2 and angle 5 is equal to angle 3. So angle 2 plus angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Now this is angle 3. Similarly, this implies that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree, or that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. This is our proof. So we can prove this. The sum of an angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So we have to prove angle A plus angle B plus angle 3 180 degree, or angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is 180 degree. Thank you.